Hi, it's Amanda here at Omni-cnc. This is about introduction of Omni Digital Cutting Machine, model number 60x25. The cutting area is 60 mm in X direction and 2500 mm in Y direction. The axes are driven by servo motors with a rack and pinion on X and Y axis. It has different cutting mode: universal oscillating, V-cutting, rotor wheel, pen marking. The table is optical breadboard. Through holes on the table, the materials can be sucked by the vacuum pump. This table can be static or conveyor table. To power the machine on and off, turn the on-off switch, which is located on the control box. There are emergency stops on the four corners of the machine that will power off the entire machine when pressed. If the emergency stop button has been pressed, it can be released by turning the button clockwise. Here is a quick overview of various functions on the control screen. The first thing you should do before running any program is to home the machine. When you press the power on-off button, the machine will slowly jog toward the home position until all three limit switches have been triggered. After all the limit switches have been triggered, the cutting head will be at the machine coordinates 000, also known as the home position. Go to the manual move. Take example, set move distance as 500 mm. Click Manual and Fast Mode. Click 4 arrows to move the cutting head to 4 directions. Because the materials are porous, there is going to leakage in the vacuum system. To maximize holding force, you should minimize this leakage as much as possible. You can use PVC film or other similar material to cover up any exposed area in active zones. And now, it's time to mount on the cutting tool. Now, we open the software, load CD file into the controller. You can transfer it to the control computer on a flash drive or using Ethernet cable. You can zoom in or out to check the details. At the right side of the computer, double-click the blue part, set the cutting speed, choose the processing mode and the cutting knife. Then click Download. Click OK and Yes. Once the file has been loaded and jog to the cutting position, the cutting head will start work. When you are finished using the digital cutting machine, be sure to clean up the table, return the head to the home position by jogging there. Power down the controller and return all tools to their locations. This is a quick demo of how to operate a digital cutting machine at Omni-cnc. If there's any question, welcome to ask us. And see you in next video.